What's tomorrow?
Farmer's market.
Farmer's market.
Hey.
Hi.
It's Farmer's market tomorrow, right?
We're almost ready.
Are you almost ready with that?
Yeah, you got to put the signs up today.
I'm supposed to be putting signs up?
Yeah, the signs are right there.
Okay.
No parking signs over there.
Cool.
Has them.
Oh, okay, right there.
Yeah, there you go.
For the summer.
How many more people do you have to sign up? Do you have any more spaces?
No, not really. We have about
Nothing?
one more. 42
Good.
vendors. We're sold out.
All right, cool. All right, I guess I better get back to work.
Here's your signs.
Hey, camcorder malfunction. What were you saying there? I was just looking and it just cut off on me.
Cut off.
Yeah.
We'll have vendors on the plaza. We also have a few food vendors in the plaza as well as on the street. And then we also have a stage area where we'll have a free concert every week.
Awesome. All right, well, I'm looking forward to being there. Are you going to be there?
I will be there, absolutely. I wouldn't miss it.
Okay. I'll see you later.
Yes, you will.
Here's all the cones. We got to still mark these, and this is one for each booth. Okay, let's get it going, and I'll see you out at the market. Sure enough, Thursday, June 11th is when it starts, and August, ooh, what's the last day in August?
27.
The 27th?
It's the car show that night.
I'll show too.
Ooh, car show on Thursday night, the very last night of the market.
Very nice day.
Ooh, cool. For just on
And music too.
these girls at the chamber, they have too much fun, let me tell you.
Chamber.
The ladies of the chamber. Hey, and if you're not a member of the chamber yet, you've got to come down here, see them, and especially see Deborah over there. She's the one you want to talk to. She'll sign you up and she'll tell you all about the chamber. Okay, guess I better go for now. I got signs to put up. Good Lord, there's a lot of staples here. I think this is the type of tree that you want this on, huh? Is that where you want it?
That's the place. Oh, those are a lot of staples.
Okay. You know, one of my jobs, I think, when I get done taking these back off, I'm gonna pull all the staples off of this tree. What do you think?
Oh my goodness, that would be so nice.
This doesn't look like it's holding very much. One staple. What do you think? See, it's kind of loose. Maybe that's why there's so many staples in here, huh? I'm sorry, tree.
It must be.
I'll pull them back out. Don't you worry about that. Onward. Whew.
This is a test.